వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. కృష్ణా జలాల పంపిణీపై న్యాయం జరిగే వరకు పోరాటం చేస్తామని అఖిలపక్షం స్పష్టం చేసింది. బ్రజేష్ కుమార్ ట్రిబ్యునల్ ఇచ్చిన తీర్పు అమలును నిలిపివేయాలంటూ అఖిలపక్ష నేతలు ప్రధానమంత్రి మన్మోహన్ సింగ్ ను కలిశారు. అరగంట పాటు జరిగిన ఈ చర్చల్లో రాష్ట్రానికి జరిగే అన్యాయంపై ప్రధానికి వివరణ ఇచ్చారు. కృష్ణా మిగులు జలాలపై హక్కు కల్పించాలని అఖిలపక్ష నేతలు కోరారు. బ్రజేష్ ట్రిబ్యునల్ తీర్పును పునర్పరిశీలించాలని ప్రధానికి అఖిలపక్ష నేతలు వినతి పత్రం సమర్పించారు.
ఇటు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వం పక్షాన అన్ని విధాలుగా పోరాటంతో పాటు భారత ప్రభుత్వంలో కూడా న్యాయం జరిగేంత వరకు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వం కానీ అన్ని పక్షాలు కానీ ఒకే మాటలో దీన్ని ఎదుర్కోవటానికి న్యాయం జరపడానికి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రజలకు మేము తయారుగా ఉన్నామని సందర్భంగా రోజు ప్రధానమంత్రి గారితో అఖిలపక్షం భేటీ సందర్భంగా ఈ 75% డిపెండబిలిటీ నుండి 65% కు మార్చడం రాష్ట్రానికి తీరని ద్రోహం చేసినట్టు అవుతుంది. ఇది ఇంటర్నేషనల్ వాటర్ లాస్ కానీ
ఢిల్లీ నుంచి ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారాన్ని చూద్దాం.
65% డిపెండబిలిటీ ఇస్తుంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని మీరు
very dedicated officers or official team, the employees, that is very professional and employees who are very hardworking. I think that is the secret of success of governance.
Mr. Parrikar, the Supreme Court imposed a ban on mining in your state. That led to massive revenue shortfalls in the previous year. Despite that, you've actually topped in 5 categories. Now that's quite remarkable. Consumer markets, education, infrastructure, investment, and the macroeconomy. Jairam Ramesh said it's the system in Goa which is very strong. So how much is the system which is pushing Goa up, and how much is the Manohar Parrikar effect?
In fact, I was listening very careful to Jairam, being my senior in IIT, and the only 3 points where I had made a small note on my pad. And one first note was system in operation. Last time I was Chief Minister, in fact the first award winning, I had a similar results, 5+1. I'm not satisfied with that. I want to have all 8+1. That's a separate issue. But I will put one very important aspect before everyone, is that system operations are very good, but most of the time any system you set up, I realized that after 1 or 2 years, a corrupt regime can get them down. So system is important, but equally is important the person who leads, whoever it may be. People who lead, there may be more than one person. If they respect the system, they maintain it. So system is important, but in our country, it's very easy to get the system down by various methods. And there are very simple tricks. I don't tell all the tricks here, because many of them may pick those tricks and I may be instrumental in getting systems down. But I have noted them, and I want to create a system this time which cannot be easily taken down. So that's very important. System is important. If the system exists...
One of the other things that Jairam Ramesh said is that Goa is doing as well as it is because it's a very easily manageable state, because it's a small state, which is why both on growth parameters and on human development parameters, your state is doing well. Is that correct, that if this were a much bigger state with a with a much bigger population, far bigger area, would it be tougher to manage Goa?
No, it's a advantage and disadvantage both. Mind you, many people don't know how much I lost in revenue because of mining ban. It's 25% of my revenues. Whereas the expenditure doesn't stop. They go on declaring 6%, 8% additional DAs to government servants, and we follow the same pattern. So my expenses are also going up in the same ratio. We have to face many other difficulties, and therefore what we did isn't great. But more than that, a small state has its advantage and has its disadvantage. The advantage being small, you can monitor personally. Disadvantage, in Goa, almost every voter is a VIP and wants to meet the Chief Minister. So there's a lot of pressure on a Chief Minister or ministers. My achievement could be done because of the support I got from the all the MLAs who got elected. They have been all working. They are contributing in small ways, and that contribution, maybe I might have contributed double.
But Mr. Ramesh, do you agree with Mr.